In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a border on Google Slides. Whether you're working on a presentation for school, a professional project, or a personal endeavor, adding a border can enhance the visual appeal and make your slides stand out. Let's dive right in. First, open up your preferred web browser and navigate to Google Slides. If you haven't already created a presentation, click on Blank or select an existing presentation from your library. Once your presentation is open, head over to the slide where you want to add the border. It's a good idea to think about how you want your border to frame your content. A border can help draw attention or create a visual boundary, especially if you have images, text, or other elements you want to highlight. Now, let's move on to adding the border. Go to the Insert menu at the top of the page, then hover over Shape to see the different options. You'll see various shapes like rectangles and ovals, but for a traditional border, you'll typically use the rectangle shape. Click on it to select it. When you bring your cursor back to the slide, it will change to a crosshair, indicating you can now draw your shape. Click and drag your cursor across the slide to create a rectangle that covers the entire slide area. Don't worry if it doesn't look quite right immediately. You can adjust the size and position after drawing it. If it's filled with color, let's change that to give it a more traditional border look. With the rectangle still selected, head over to the Fill Color tool on the toolbar, which looks like a paint bucket, and choose Transparent. This way, you're left with just the outline of the shape. Now that you have your outline, let's make it look like a proper border. Click on the Border Color tool, which you'll find next to the Fill Color tool, and pick the color you'd like for your border. Classic options are black, gray, or a color that matches your overall slide theme. To adjust the thickness of your border, use the Border Weight tool, which is represented by 3 horizontal lines of varying thickness. Choose the thickness that suits your design best. And there you have it, a simple border around your Google Slides presentation. This trick can easily be repeated on other slides for a consistent look across your entire deck. Experiment with colors and styles to see what best complements your presentation. As a final tip, consider how your border interacts with other design elements like text and images to ensure your presentation is cohesive and visually appealing. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Adding a border is a simple yet effective way to enhance your presentation and make your slides pop. Be sure to give it a try and see how it can elevate your next project. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.